Going on, so today I'm gonna show you how to add money from debit card to PayPal. So the first thing is to log into PayPal, obviously, and after that you're gonna click on wallet or my account and then select add funds. Choose debit card as the funding source. Enter your debit card details, including card number, expiration date, and stuff like that, CVV. So review the terms and conditions, then click add to link your debit card to your PayPal account. Once linked, you can enter the amount you want to add to your PayPal balance from your debit card. Confirm the transaction and your debit card will be charged for the specific amount. The funds will be added to your PayPal balance. You can use them to make payments or send money to others. Make sure your debit card has sufficient funds and it's eligible for online transactions. PayPal may have specific requirements or restrictions for debit card funding, so review their terms and conditions before proceeding. Adding funds from a debit card may incur a small fee depending on your PayPal account type and card issuer policies. You can also add funds from your debit card using PayPal mobile app if you prefer, and that is it.